to the TV Premieres channel. My name is Miranda. I'm going to show you how to make a spicy margarita today. All you need is fresh limes, a little Tajin for the rim, some tequila, you got your Agave, and a little triple sec. You also need a little Valentina if you want to make it extra spicy. So I'm going to start by kind of wetting the rim with the lime a little bit. And then I'm gonna take it, dip it in the Tajin. Next, I'm gonna put some ice cubes in here. Use about 3 to 4. Then you're gonna put a shot of tequila. Next, I'm gonna put a whole lime. To measure it out just to make sure I do about an ounce. I'm gonna pour it in next. I'm gonna add just a little more. I love a good sour margarita. I'm just gonna put about 1/4. Oh, that's a little more. 1/4 of the triple sec in here. We're gonna do about half, I would say. I do a little less just because I don't like it super sweet. And then next I'm gonna throw in some Serrano Peppers just because I think it makes it a little spicier. You use jalapeno, they're just as good, but I like a real good spicy margarita, and then I just mix it. I'm gonna add 1 little drop of Valentina just for some more spice. And there we have a spicy margarita.